Good day, friends. I'm Kole Akimboboye, President of the Voice of Adonai Ministries International. I've come with a very good news. God is set to bless us with the thunder of His power. And this precisely is the theme of the Sound of the Trumpet Conference 2021, holding from 12th to 14th of August this year. It will be streamed on all the social media platforms on your screen, and also the venue in Lagos will be on your screen. Ministering alongside my wife and I are Bishop Michael Okonkwo, Prophet Isa Buba, and Evangelist Sunday Uche. Come prepared, talk to your friends, talk to your family, because God is set to turn things around suddenly for you, your family, and the nation. Mark the dates on your diary, and God bless you richly as you come. Thank you.